Hello YouTube, N3SDO here. I wanted to take a few minutes and share a little tool that I built the other week. Now I do surface mount component level repair on computer and communication circuit boards. I've often had a difficult time with some of the larger lead-free soldered chips with thermal pads or large components connected to large power and ground planes. Recently some power supply components were giving me a fight, and I needed a bottom preheater to assist in getting the chips up to solder melt temperature. Lucky for me, I had a second hot air station available, so I made a 3/4 inch right angle nozzle with a copper plumbing elbow, slotted it so it would squeeze down onto the heater, and used a hose clamp to hold it in place. Needed a way to hold the hot air nozzle stable and support the circuit board up above the nozzle. I had some leftover 1.5 by 2 inch oak wood, so I used a Forstner bit and drilled some pockets into the bottom of the wood and glued in around magnets. I used a pipe strap to hold the hot air nozzle down and put a little bit of a pocket into the wood with a rasp to keep it stationary. Then I had some high temperature Permatex, which I used to provide some grip under the magnets, and also made some bumps on the top of the wood to support the circuit board and not scrape off any capacitors. Turns out I had to cut part of the copper elbow off to make it a little bit shorter, closer to the bend. It gives me more clearance under the circuit board. I can now bring the circuit board up to about 230 degrees Fahrenheit, 110 C, which helps tremendously with getting the components up to temperature to melt the lead-free alloys. I used an old steel server lid to attach the magnets to and provide a stationary and secure base. I don't have any slide bars, no card guides, no clamps or clips, just silicone rubber grippiness and gravity. I just click the supports down where I want them, lay the board down, and I'm ready to go. The air temperature is well below the ignition point of the wood, and there's little danger of me setting the fixture on fire. But if you're unsure of your soldering air temperature, you could make the components out of aluminum or steel C-channel or whatever floats your canoe. So that's my tip for today. 73s, catch you later, N3SDO.